the skies have become a war zone. With threats ranging from large military UAVs to small commercial drones, maintaining air superiority demands a solution that can accurately detect, identify, and neutralize these evolving threats. RAFAEL presents Drone Dome, a battle-tested, comprehensive solution designed to protect airspace against a wide range of hostile drones and UAVs. Drone Dome delivers 360-degree coverage, easily deploying in stationary, mobile, naval, and rapid deployment configurations. It integrates advanced capabilities into a single, end-to-end solution, combining radar and multi-sensor systems to precisely detect multiple threats from long distances in all weather conditions. Using its advanced SIGINT technology, Drone Dome's electro-optical sensor locks onto detected targets and tracks them with precision through video motion detection. Drone Dome provides multiple threat mitigation options. Disrupt drone communications and GPS signals using reactive jamming technology, rendering them inoperative and neutralizing threats before they escalate. Unleash the power of our high-energy laser beam to accurately disable hostile drones by targeting vital components, ensuring safety and security without collateral damage. The system can track, incapacitate, and capture rogue drones in mid-air, deploying a tactical net and parachute to safely bring them to ground, using soft or hard kill methods to eliminate the threats. At the heart of Drone Dome is its command and control module. Designed for single operator use, it correlates real-time data from multiple distributed sensors, delivering full situational awareness on an interactive map. Its open architecture allows seamless integration with various effectors, sensors, and defense systems. With dozens of deployments worldwide, Drone Dome is a combat-proven solution, securing military, homeland security, and civilian sites from hostile drones and UAVs. RAFAEL Drone Dome, securing the airspace against evolving drone threats.